I bet.
Shut your mouth! Why do you need baby ponytails?
You don't tell me you're gonna give me cornrows. I want cornrows.
I don't know how to do cornrows.
Yes, you do.
I'm not black.
That doesn't mean anything.
Yes, it does. It means everything. You know
Flat
it.
from the waist down.
Bro. We're probably the most boring people to record right now, at this moment.
I don't know. Anna's pretty boring. She's just putting on makeup. What if I painted your camera?
Negro.
Are you gonna do that to all my hair?
No. I'm not fucking stupid.
Oh my god, I thought you were gonna do that. I was like, oh my god, that looks so stupid.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there.
Yeah, leave it like that. Leave it like that. Let hero be. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Really fun.
That's for Alana later.
That's our she's recording.
Yeah. Should I go home and be like, damn. You guys are mean.
You're like, yeah, you guys fucking suck. You figured out what I was doing. Shut up.
Okay, I need to start this.